The Galaxy S24 series, which is scheduled to debut in February 2024, has already been the subject of several leaks. According to these rumors, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a number of upgrades, such as better screens, faster CPUs, larger batteries, and certain models with quicker charging. The most notable of them all is a new leak that we have today, and it will make those who are anticipating these phones very happy. A recent story from a selected media outlet: if Samsung doesn't raise the prices of the base models compared to the Galaxy S23 series, it will equip the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage as standard, meaning consumers won't have to pay more to get the higher memory/storage variant. According to an industry source, the Galaxy S24 Ultra includes 16GB of RAM as an optional feature. This version may also have 1TB of internal storage. According to a South Korean publication, the M13, the company's 13th generation AMOLED panel, would be found in all three Galaxy S24 models. The new display panel is believed to be slimmer, more energy efficient, and capable of producing images of higher quality. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 series is anticipated to have the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5's 12th generation OLED panel M12. Perhaps not till the iPhone 16 will we see M13 panels in Apple's phones. The use of the Exynos 2400 chipset, which will save the firm money by allowing it to get chips from both LSI and Qualcomm, is how Samsung may offset the expense of these changes, according to the article. Exynos variants of the Galaxy S24 series are anticipated to debut in Europe and a few Asian nations, while Snapdragon versions may debut in North America. This time, the One UI 6.0 beta program for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra has officially been introduced by Samsung for the Android 14-powered Galaxy S23. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.